Good day, sir. For this video, we'll be discussing my radar plating sheet. So first, we need to introduce our given. We have our own sheet. The force is 0,002, and the north speed we have 20 knots, and target number 1 we have time 10, 30, 100 hours. And for bearing we have 0.56 true, and the distance is 11 north nautical miles. And for our target number 2 we have time 900 hours. For our bearing we have 0.53 true, and for distance is 8 nautical miles. So first we need to find our course, which is 002. So this is our sheet, which is 0. So we need to underline this. And for our speed we have 20 knots. So the 20 knots is here. This is the 20 knots. And for our bearing we have 0.53 through. So we need to count 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 40, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. So our target number 1, which is 56. So this is 56. And for our target number 2 we have bearing 0.53 through 51, 52, 53. So this is 53. To find our the instructor given us a task to find CPA, BCPA, TCPA, and for this plotting I insert RML, which is the related motion line. So to find the RML is the way to find CPA. So to find RML we need to connect the target number 1 to target number 2. So this is the target number 1 and the target number 2. We need to connect this. So this is our RML. And to find our DRM, which is our direction related motion, is we need to go this way. Like that. Since this is our RML, we need to move this to our sheet. So slowly get it to our sheet. So as we can see that our DRM is 240. So since we already find our DRM, which is 240, next to do is we need to find BCPA. So to find BCPA, since our DRM is 240 and our shift is 90 degree, so 240 plus 90 is 330. So here we can see that the 330 is there, so we need to this is our BCPA. Next to do is, since we already found our BCPA, we need to find our CPA. So to find our CPA, we need to measure this our shape and CPA. If you already done measure, you need to so as we can see that 0 end up with 1, so our end up with 1.1, so our CPA is 1.1, and our BCPA is 330 degree. So next to do is we need to measure our TCPA. To find TCPA, we need to measure our 12 to target number 2. If we are done measuring, we need to measure this. So as we can see that the measure is 8 nautical miles. So to find our TCPA, we need to divide 8 to our 20 knots. So 8 divided to 20 times 60 is equal to 24. So since our target number 2 is 10,900 hours, we need to times the total, which is 24 times 10,900 hours. So to calculate all, we have 10,300 hours. So our TCPA, we have 10:33 minutes. So we are done for our TCPA, and for the next is we need to find our true course. To find our true course, we need to go on the middle, which is this, and to find our true course, we need to move this to target number 1. So this is our target number 1. So we need to underline this. Which is our W, and connect to target number 2. Since we already connected the target number 1, next to do is, since we are going to find our true course, we need to go this way. We're going to move this to our shape. So as we can see that our true course is 280. So our true course is 280 degree, 180 degree. So next, we need to find our true speed. To find our true speed, we need to connect our W to A. So this is our A and our W. So this is our A and W. And next to do is we need to connect or to measure with our scale. So as we can see that the result is 3.2. So to find our true speed, we need to calculate our true speed with 3.6 times 60, which is our minutes, and divided to 12 minutes, which is the instruction given us. And 3.2 times 6 divided to 12 is 60 knots. So we have true speed with 16 knots. And since we are done for our true speed, we need to go to the next given, which is aspect. How to find aspect, since we have our A and W, and we need to find our C. So to find our aspect, we need to line this to our sheet. So this is our sheet. So as we can see that the result is 230. Our C is 230, and so this is not yet, because 230 degree, we need to minus this to our A. So 280 degree minus 230, we have 50 degree. So our aspect is 50 degree. So that's all, sir.